In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a priority level, icon and color in Jira. If you're new to Jira or just looking to customize your project management experience, this tutorial will guide you through these steps with ease, ensuring that your tasks are always organized and clearly prioritized. To start, let's head over to the Jira settings. You'll find this under the gear icon at the top of your dashboard. Once there, you'll want to navigate to the Issues section. This is where you can manage all aspects of your project tasks. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Priorities. Go ahead and select that. This is where we'll be making our changes. Once you're in the Priorities section, look for a button or link that says Add Priority. Clicking this will open up a new window or a form where you can begin to create a new priority level for your tasks. Now, the first field you'll encounter is the name field. Here, you should enter the name of your new priority level. This is how you'll differentiate it from the other priorities within your project. Choose a name that accurately represents the level of urgency or importance of the tasks this priority level will be assigned to. You also have the option to add a description at this point. While this step is optional, it can be incredibly useful for providing additional context about what this priority level is meant to signify. This way, anyone using the project can understand at a glance what the priority level entails and apply it appropriately. Next, you'll need to choose an icon. This icon will visually represent the priority level throughout Jira. Selecting an appropriate icon can help team members quickly recognize the importance of tasks just by glancing at them. When choosing your icon, consider what will best convey the urgency or significance of the tasks. After selecting an icon, you'll want to choose a color for the priority level. Colors can be a powerful visual cue, helping to further emphasize the level of urgency. Whether you opt for a calm blue or a striking red, make sure the color aligns with the level's significance and is distinct from other priority levels to avoid any confusion. Finally, once you've filled out all necessary fields and made your selections, go ahead and click Add Priority to create your new priority level. You should now see it listed with your other priority levels, ready to be assigned to tasks within your projects. And that's it. By organizing your priorities with names, icons, and colors, you make sure your team can work more effectively and keep your projects running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and happy prioritizing.